It's Kannada or
Any English is okay. English is
English?
fine.
We started before 8 years back. Actually, we will go for a Padayatra from here to Tirupati. While moving, we caught around 10 cattle near to Kolar. Then what we thought, like we gave a complaint over there, and we just we put it in a ISKCON temple. We went to Padayatra, and while coming back, we took the cattle and we started a Gosala with a small shed over there.
Okay.
Later on, it's increasing day by day. Whatever the cattle we will get from the police or from the court, we'll just put it over here. We'll feed them, and even the donors will support us. Like that. So it's going on. We have around 14 trustees in our Goshala.
Okay.
So our president is Ramesh. We have a main branch, means office is in Chandraspet. From there it will run. Actually, we have all, means our culture is only, we have to educate the people with the Desi culture.
Correct.
So we have only Desi cows.
That's good. That's very good. Yeah.
And nobody knows the uses of Desi cattle. So we can do the burning and all. Even with the urine, we can take our...
Medical values.
Yeah, medical values are so much. Even this thing is there, right? Malnad Gidda. In Udupi and Chumaga, you will find this one. So it means the milk of that one is more helpful for the sugar patients and all. Okay. It will stabilize the blood this thing also. And if you are nowadays even software companies, like you will find so many things are happening, like reproduction system is
It's getting affected. Yes.
if you have the arco of this one, urine, this one, it will increase the pH value of it.
Correct. Right.
Now we have around 110 cattle. We have given around 100 cattle for the nearby villages.
Oh,
So if from one cattle, if it's going to help for the one family, whole family, we are giving it to them.
Okay.
So that they will feed, means get the milk from that. And later when it get old, right, they will put it here.
Back. Okay. So there are all age cows, all age
cattle
groups.
are also there. This and all new
Right, they are babies.
born here only. Like
Okay, great. So what kind of, do they have a doctor nearby?
Yeah, nearby. Government doctor is there. He will come. And we have a separate doctor who will visit twice a day.
Okay. Great. Nice Udyama, and you have put all your interest in this and you are doing it.
We will get a few, means you know one thing, ma'am. As a human being, we will intake only 9 months of mother milk. But for 99 years, we will get from the milk.
Excellent.
Cattle.
Yes, correct.
So it's more precious than mother. So we have to...
Save, protect them.
And it's our culture, Indian culture, not something else.
Right.
So we have to do that.
Very nice. And this is a whole Udyama, not one person or this thing,
No,
and
ma'am.
everybody
It's like,
is...
you know one thing, like if all together joining the people, everybody support, right? We can do something.
Right.
From one man, we can't do it.
Correct. So you are saying this is being used to make?
See, ma'am, like for Go Puja and all, they will put this.
Right.
And we will get the urine separated in that
Tubs.
tubs and all.
Okay.
So whatever the from that we will do phenols and all.
Oh, okay.
So for nearby showrooms and all, we can give it out.
Okay.
And even whatever we will get through drum and all, right? So around morning time, around 4 o'clock, whatever the urine comes from the cattle, it got more medical values.
Right.
And,
The
in
first
evening
urine.
time.
Correct.
Means middle and all, it is okay, but morning and evening.
Highest value is there. Correct.
And one more thing is, if you keep on rubbing the cattle like this, or desi cattle,
Right,
for
right.
10 days, you can check it out, the BP level will come down.
Oh,
Like that. And see, our Brahmani culture is what means, before and all the owners, they used to send for the jungle. Means if you have any disease or something, if you keep on rubbing this one,
Right.
it will come to know what the owner got, like what disease he got. It will go to the jungle and it will feed only that type of leaves and all.
Oh.
It will come back and it will give the milk. So it contains that medical values like that.
Beautiful concept. Right. So previously, every house used to have that a cow and cattle. They used to have at least two or
Even
three
in
cows.
the front of the means house and all, they used to put this thing.
Cow dung and yeah.
But nowadays everything is tar.
Correct. We put dogs and all, which are of no use.
And if we burn the burnie, right,
Uh-huh.
it will increase the oxygen, content of oxygen.
Correct.
And also it will kill the virus or bacteria nearby surrounding.
Right.
And even the urine, ganjla, what we say. Before and all, you have checked out in Brahmin's house or else in Lingayat's house. They used to spray if any beggar comes near the house. Means not because like the beggar comes, they won't do like that. But beggar, he won't take a bath for more than 10 days or 20 days.
Yes.
He means on his body so many virus or something will be there.
Correct.
So if he come near the house, so that virus will spread all over.
Correct.
So they used to spray the thing so that it will kill the virus like that.
Correct. So what kind of problems are you facing here since beginning until date?
Actually, fodder somewhat problem is there.
Okay.
Like at least nowadays it's raining, so we'll just send it to the jungle. But later on, some fodder problem will be there. And
In the summer season and all, we
that.
don't have. Okay. And it is okay. Like, is it a protected place for the cows to be
we
like
have
when?
done a shed over here
Okay.
for those
Acha, yes.
60 cattle
Oh,
through some donor, Suresh Jakkaraj, one fellow is there.
okay.
He has sponsored this one. Like that.
So I mean, it's at this time they will be outside. Otherwise, they will be inside.
They will means we will keep it inside. And actually, we won't keep the cattle staying at one place because like it will get a pain in the legs and all, and it will get lazy. If we go for a jungle for roaming around, right?
Right.
Even the content of milk will also increase.
Okay.
And it won't get any disease or something like that. Whatever the things it will be in need, right? It will have that, and it will come back like that. We will see, one thing, we won't be knowing the medical values of all the plants and all, but they will be knowing if we eat this one, it will
Such and such quality will come into my body, and humans will be benefited by drinking that. Yeah. I mean, it basically they do for their kids, their
that's
child,
what.
but we also are benefited.
we are intaking that
right.
milk, right?
Correct. Okay.
And the production of sperm will get increased. If we have that Nandi Arku, means from the male cattle,
Okay.
it will increase the sperm production.
So what about the ox? The male
Yeah, we have
bulls?
vaccine also.
I mean, generally a Goshala has only the female, this one or a male?
No, ma'am. Actually, for slaughtering, they will take only male cattle.
Okay.
And even female cattle, which and all will be somewhat, if it's having a disease or something, they will send it to them. Okay, see, one thing, like for 1 kg of a meat, goat meat is around 700 bucks. If they sell means nowadays farmers are selling it for 300 or 500.
Okay.
So like they will cut the neck and they will put it on the hangout on this.
Correct.
In the meat shop also. Even for 5-star hotels also they are using
Correct.
this beef meat. This thing.
It has increased these
Yeah.
days.
So see, we can't protect all the cattle. At least whatever it comes to us, we are like protecting. See, like that's what, like if all the people join together, we can protect everything. Like that. Nowadays you have means checked out in Kerala also. How and all they used to cut the means.
We can't eat in hotels there. Beef is
that's what.
I mean, essential part of the food. We cannot eat. Okay. So what are you basically? What is your
I'm
background?
in charge over here.
Ah.
I've done with my BA architecture in Manipal, Udupi.
Oh.
Later on, I worked in Infosys Foundation. Later on in Jan Foundation.
Acha.
So then I shifted to Harba, West Bengal.
Okay.
There in BSF border, more than 10,000 cattle per month it will go to Bangladesh. So means before and all nobody was there.
Right.
So what we thought, we approached with the army people and all. Nowadays they are catching the cattle and they are sending it back.
Okay.
Before and all what they were doing, they used to send it to jungle. But the Bangla peoples come in the jungle and they used to take it out. So we have done around 2-3 Goshalas over there in Harba, West Bengal. So around 300 300 cattle, 3,000 cattle in one and 4,000 in one more.
Acha. Okay, so this is not the only institute. You have that places also.
Before, I used to work in Gyan,
Ah,
Gyan Foundation.
Gyan Foundation.
In Gyan Foundation, we have more than 40 goshalas all over.
Okay, that was an institutional arrangement where you are a part of. This is your own handling. Okay, please tell him to. I'm not much used to. So this is the first time I'm so near to them.
This one is a breed of Tamil Nadu. For a Jallikat it will go, right? Sport thing.
Right. Acha, okay. Nice.
Simply it will play, it won't do
Right. My only problem, I'm not used to that song. I really like. So they said one doctor is there. I read his story, like he had skin, he himself got a skin disease, which was not curable for years together. Then he's a foreign doctor. So he read that this cows being in a goshala, the smell itself will heal. So he came and resided in a goshala for 6 months and he got cured.
I think nowadays you have checked out in internet. They are paying around $300 to simply sit over there with the cattle for 1.5 hours.
Correct, right.
See, here and all in India we can go for free.
Correct. True. Everything was like inbuilt into the system. Now we have to go out of the system. Like we have to come so far, or we have to engage some other means to attain that.
And the thing is, one more positive is this one is corona free. That's it.
True.
Wherever the urine and all of the cattle will be there, the virus won't be more.
So how was it in the beginning when you started like with cows? How was your
somewhat
experience?
it was tough for us. We took the land for a lease, then we started. Like this we started for the shelter.
Okay.
Later on from donors we are getting, and later on it's somewhat increasing, improving day by day. And we are also putting, even our trustees, they will put more money for the thing. More than 2 to 2.5 lakhs we are spending per month.
Per month.
Yeah. Because every weekend we'll be in need of green fodder. And even for 2 months once we are in need of a dry fodder, ragi or rice or something, paddy like that.
Okay. So this is the area, this much, that green.
This one and that one. That one we have put it for organic farming. Like this.
Okay. Right.
So we have to show right from what's the uses of this thing. From whatever the urine we will collect, right? With that we will mix up the cow dung and all.
Right.
Like that we can spray on that. It will be useful like no need of pesticides or something.
Fertilizers and all, without that naturally.
See, even our old ancestors, they used to live long means because of this organic food and all.
Exactly.
But nowadays we are putting a chemical.
In the name of productivity, we have decreased the quality and we are suffering because of so many diseases and all. Yes. Okay. Great. So what kind of how long does one cow survive? What's the lifespan of one cow?
Ma'am, actually it will be there for around 16 years.
16 years.
Actually government has given a permit for the Muslims and all, like after 13 years you guys can cut the thing and you can
Use for
do
eating,
it for the meal, this thing, meat. But nowadays for small kids also
Also
they
they
are
are
taking cows also.
Because the demand has grown, so the cattle is coming down. The number of and they will
Can't
take
say
basic
only
cows
Muslims,
only.
nowadays Christians are also
Christians
having,
and,
even Hindus are also having.
They don't understand the difference. What's wrong? They say mamsa is mamsa, whatever animal let it be. So we lost that puja bhava and all. Like tulasi is not just any tree, any plant. It's different from all the plants because it elicits oxygen all the time. So same like go. This also cow also.
See, in our this thing and all, we used to burn the burning because like if we put in my home, my brother is having some wheezing problem. If you put a all out or something for a mosquito kill, he will get suffocated.
Right. Allergic
If you put
will.
this one, he will be all right. Because the thing is, it will increase the level of oxygen.
Correct.
And it won't contain any chemicals or something like that.
So when they have delivery, like a baby is going to, so what kind of what timings and how do you adjust? Like in the night also it might be
Yeah,
an
ma'am.
emergency
In the
and all.
night, if means we'll come to know if today if it's gonna means get the if we gonna get the baby, we'll come to know. If we check out the backside, we'll come to know.
Okay, okay.
So for while healing process, our laborers will go there and they will settle over there.
Right.
Later on, they will put some mustard oil with that jaggery and aswan powder.
Okay.
If you mix and burn it out and if you give that, right, whatever there inside, it will come out.
Acha, it will give for consumption inside. Okay, okay. Then it has Sukha Prasava, like free delivery.
Yeah,
Yes,
that's
okay, okay. Fine, fine.
No need of any injections or something. Even for the crossing thing, we won't get any injections or something.
Okay, okay.
We'll just natural process it will go on.
Good, good, good.
And we have a gir, even Tarparkar, Rajasthani breed, Concrage also, Sindh border, Pakistan Sindh border.
Okay,
And this one is Malnad Gidda from Udupi, South Canara region.
okay. So how many varieties total here?
Totally all the varieties,
All the
all
varieties
desi varieties are there.
Very good, very good.
Hallikar is there, Amrutmal is there, Malnad Gidda, and even Gir, Concrage, Tarparkar, and Tamil Nadu breeds are also there.
I don't even know so many names. I heard of Gir. Gir is the best, like
Yeah,
you said.
actually in Gir, so many medical values are more in that. As per them, even we have a same. You see, one Hallikar, if it dies, right, we can put the bones for 100 acres. It's like a manure for 100 acres, not for 1 acre. So the same medical values and so many advantages are there in our desi cattle also, nati cattle. Amrutmal, it will be pure white like that. Yeah, that one is Amrutmal.
Behind that
Yeah,
vehicle.
vehicle. This one is Halika, female.
So this land is given by donors, huh? Or
No,
some
ma'am, we have
belongs
taken it for a lease.
to lease. Okay, okay.
Donors, somewhat they will help out for the fodder and all, and even Marwadis and Jains will come over during Amasa time.
Right, right, right.
If we are in need of a fodder or something, they will help out. Or else we will put it off because we can't keep them hungry, right? So we will just put it off, whatever is required.
So are there any dangers in the jungle, like you nearby? How far it is? The
Here, means next to this one was only jungle.
jungle. Achha, okay, okay.
Hardly around half a kilometer if you move, jungle is there. It means during rainy season, it will go for a grazing over there.
Okay, okay.
In summer, it will be somewhat tough for us.
Right. Nice. So anybody goes along
Even
with this?
children will come over here. They will put a camp over here.
Okay.
The tent, everything. Because we have to show what's our desi culture.
Correct, correct.
They will take out the cow dung, everything. We will make them to do some
Activities.
we'll give the moldings and all, Ganesha and all.
Achha.
So they will do this thing.
Do you have that? I wanted to see exactly how it is made. Do you have any sample right now?
Everything sold out.
Acha, okay. Okay.
Now within this week we'll start up with Deepas and all.
Deepavali, right.
Within this week.
So does it require any separate factory kind of doing or do you do with
Nothing like
hand?
that. If we have a mold, right, we have to mix with this thing, cow dung and the clay and some turmeric and all. We have to mix up with it. Mixture of those we can do.
Acha, just put it for drying.
Yeah, that's it.
Acha, okay. That's
We'll
a
be
good.
having the outside mold, right? We'll just do that and we'll keep for drying.
Do they go away somewhere sometimes without telling or without your knowing? There are such dangers are there?
Pardon?
They go out without telling or fear. They are not tied.
We go, means this one goes to jungle also, right? It will come back around 7 or something like that. It will eat and it will come back around 7 like that.
Okay.
And we have put a tag and all.
Acha.
So if anything happens, if we go near to the village or something like that, right?
Right.
It will come back.
Oh,
Or
let
else
me-
the people, they will get it off.
Acha. So here is that.
SKGF, Sri Krishna Goshala Foundation.
Oh, great.
Like that we have put out. And we have not tied up with the government or something like that.
Good thing. Private only it should be. It will work wonderfully. Government again.
Also, in humans, if means what to say, if it's a baby boy, they will be happy. But in cattle, if it's a baby boy, they will sell that one. We have to protect that one. Because, see, if we give out our culture, right, then who will?
Who will protect? Exactly. I mean, many like painful stories and pictures I have seen, and I have seen the videos. And
Even
all.
here also some handicaps will come. Calves, cattle and all. We will
Take with
give
the same.
treatment for that.
Okay, okay.
And so many single eye. This one is single eye, not that one. One more, that one. Like that.
Oh, eye problem is there. Acha.
Some cattle will be having a problem with the legs and all.
Oh, right.
We have to give, means we'll put it separately and we'll give the treatment. Then it will join these guys.
Right. So when the new cow arrives, do they get friendly? Huh?
Yeah, it will be friendly.
It will just mix, or you have to take some measures
No,
for
that's
that.
what like there is a this Gir cattle. They won't mix up with the South Indian cattle.
Okay, interesting.
But even in Gir urine also, right? You will get a content of a gold in that.
Oh.
Yeah. Like that is so many.
They could have used, instead of beef, now they could have used these things.
Yeah.
Now we would have been in a very higher position.
And whatever the cattle, it will be having a hump, right? That will be having more medical values.
Acha, okay.
This one is pregnant.
Oh,
See, you can check out the milk here.
acha,
We'll put the milk here.
okay.
When a baby comes, it will come near the distance.
Okay. It hurt itself,
Yeah,
that
now
I see.
so.
I see on the skin there are some red marks. Okay, good. As this sasna is long. This is that bell is
Yeah.
long, bigger. Gir, yeah. Venkateshwara Swami, that milk, that cow, it is Gir
Yeah, that's right.
Jati only.
And even this Malnad Gida is there, right? For the Abhishek of Ayyappa Swami, they will use this type of, means this milk, Malnad Gida's milk.
Acha, okay.
Ashok!
Nice. So this is all the land I will take here also. So they are not afraid of new people when we are moving around.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ ಅದೇ ಎದುರ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇವಾಗ ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಮಾಡಿದಾವೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ನಾವು 10 ದಿನ ಈ ತರ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ರಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಬಿ.ಪಿ ಏನೇ ಇದ್ರು ಇದೇ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಿ.ಪಿ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ.
So its horns are special.
Actually, see, you know one thing, God has given everything for every cattle. These things they used to go for a jungle. So rather with the wild animals, टॉपी स्प्रे लेके आके स्प्रे कर लो बाबा.
इसको थोड़ा हर्ट हुआ है.
और स्प्रे लेके आ जाओ, इसको स्प्रे कर लो.
So आप इनका फर्स्ट एड सब जानते हैं, प्राइमरी सब आप मेडिकेशन आप कर सकते हैं.
Yeah, primary medicines they will be. We have to know everything.
Correct.
Because all the time doctor won't be available.
Correct. I wish I also stayed for some time here. It's a wonderful place. Nice. So back side, can I take?
Yeah, sure.
Sir.
This one is office room. We have done. Actually, cultural programs will go on. It's not only a Goshala, even Rajasthan they will come here.
Acha.
They will do some dal bati and all. They will eat here. They will do the Go Puja. Like that they will do. Even the Brahmins will come. They will do the Homa here.
Acha.
Instead of doing at home, if we do it here, it will be good.
Newly built. Jain Shwetambar Mandir Trust. Okay.
Black wala.
Critical medicine.
Go inside now.
Yeah. So they are treating that, they're drying the cow dung, sir?
Yeah.
They're
So
preparing.
we are doing.
Okay. So this is
This one is cutting.
cutting for fodder. So So you don't need much equipment, right, around
Yeah,
this? Huh?
that's it. Whatever is there, we will use it in this one. If a production is more, then we have to go wait for something. During Go Pujas also they will use this one. And in Brahmins on the body they will put the Berenice for burning.
The last riot. The last riot.
So many multiple uses are there.
Right. Nice. They don't need much actually. They need a very less care, little things. They don't need like as big apartments and the luxury things. Anywhere you put, they will be very happy. Some food you give.
Actually, the body temperature of cows will be more than a human,
Oh.
but heartbeat is less than a human.
Acha. Okay.
So if we do the yoga or something with the cattle, right, it will stabilize our body, whatever the blood control, everything.
Acha.
Like that.
Okay.
You can check out here.
Yeah.
And this one we have done it for collection of yoga.
Acha. Yeah, that's what I was about to ask. You said we'll collect it. How do you collect it? I was just.
We have done a pipeline from there, so like that it will come.
Okay. Oh, nice.
Then we will put it in the drum and all.
Okay.
Whatever the foam it will come, while heating, right? We'll take out that one.
Acha.
Later on, we will put some neem, tulsi or something like that, flavored. With the pine oil, we'll mix it up.
Okay.
We'll do the phenol.
Okay. Nice. So there is a sale for these products, sir.
Yeah.
There are people who take it. Okay. Very Shanta.
This one is Hardikar.
Wow. Oh my, it's so giant. It's a
Multi-purpose now. We can use it for the farm also.
Okay.
Like that.
it's ox, right? Ox. Oh, it's very gigantic.
ಅದ್ಯಾವುದು ಇದು
ಇದಾ ma'am? ಇದು ಲೋಕಲ್ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಕೂಡ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಗಿಡ್ಡ ಮಲ್ನಾಡ್ ಗಿಡ್ಡಗಳು.
Achha, so you have to still make that channels, na?
Yeah, ma'am.
Channels need to be made. These are all males.
Yeah, males. One or two female is okay.
So this is another land. Here, Goshala.
Only this one.
Nothing is a
Even
waste.
the nearby farmers also, if they grow something, right, they will give for a free or something like that because they will think something in a mind. If these things happen, we will give that Goshala or something.
Right.
Like that they will.
Oh, like Mannat. What is it called?
ಹರಕೆ.
Harakke. Yeah,
Harakke.
right.
Even our workers also, if something is going wrong in their house, right, they will think like if it go positive in some good meal, we will just give our salary for the cattle.
Oh, okay.
That fellow was doing the burning and all. Given on 5,000.
Acha.
Sir, keep it for the fodder. Like that.
Right. It's okay. Well, so you have lights and all. Good.
Yeah.
So in the night time also there is no worry.
We have to put the lights, ma'am. Or else, even the cattle will get scared. At least dim light we have to put it on.
Okay. They can manage with that. I mean, they are able to see in that.
Yeah.
So snakes and all, sir, no such dangers are there, no, around?
Nothing like that.
Huh? They are afraid of snakes, I heard.
Actually, you know one thing, with the gobar, if you mix up this thing, lasoon, if you mix that one and if you put it outside, right, the snakes won't come.
Oh, okay. Nice. That's their self-protection. Nice.
Garlic.
Smell. She has done, no? Okay.
Monthly, twice or something, we will clean it over. Shower.
Okay.
So, because like this one is clean, right, we don't get any disease or something.
Right.
And this desi cattle, it won't get more disease like hybrid cattle.
Okay. So can I put this on YouTube? I really have my own personal channel. Okay, I have 300 subscribers. They will see. Okay, I want to put yours. It's a very nice endeavor. It's getting nice. Some tears kind of. It's not nothing. No?
No, nothing like that. So if it's getting more tears, right? I mean, see, for Every cattles it will get a tear from the eyes. If it's more, we'll put some gentamicin or soframycin or something drops on it. It's common in all the cattles.
Yes. Because of heat or maybe.
Yeah.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಒಳ್ಳು ಸೊ ಗೋ
This one is handicap.
ಓ ಹೇ ರೈಟ್